everyone, it's time for our grab and go for the month of April. And what we are doing today is we are planting in like a little hothouse. I planted chia seeds last week in this egg crate, and look at what I got from it. And from this, I can actually plant them outside. You can do herbs in here. You can do anything you want. So in everyone's bag, you have a little egg crate. You have some lima beans, some black-eyed beans, some chia seeds, so you could do whatever you want, and a little bag of soil. So what I'm going to do first is I'm gonna put a little soil into each of, there might be some twigs in here, into each of my compartments. So you all have like 6 compartments. This is kind of like a little Earth Day project also. And I'm not gonna fill them up yet, because I want to get my seeds in there. And then I'm actually gonna do 2 little seeds here of black-eyed peas. I'm wondering what kind of stems those have. Then I got my lima beans. I'll put over here. Do a little more black-eyed right there. And then chia seeds, which I actually love to put on my yogurt and things like that. And I'm gonna put them, just gonna sprinkle some on the top, like that. And you could, you could put in as many as you want. I wouldn't go crazy, because you want it to kind of stem. Then I'm gonna top it off with some more soil, like that. You can take those sticks out. I'm using like seedling soil, which helps you seed. So I'm gonna get it up to kind of even with this. And then I am going to take some water, and I'm going to water my seeds, but not too much water because you don't want it to overflow. And then I'm going to close up my crate like that. I'm going to put it on a windowsill, and within a couple of days you'll see some green come out. You might want to water it every couple of days, but go have fun. See you soon. Bye.